So I stumbled upon this extension on vscode which could add Pokemons to your code editor. I was like, yes, let's try it. So firstly, open VS Code and go to extensions and search for VS Code Pokemon. You need to install it and give it necessary permissions. After it is installed, you can spawn new Pokemons by the keyboard option or by searching for it directly. There's 4 generations of Pokemons available in this one right now. We choose Bulbasaur because that's the #1 Pokemon. Okay, so I definitely went a little crazy after this. So I got Pikachu, I got the rest of the other Pokemons as well, got Mewtwo, and then got Charizard also. Yeah, so it's pretty fun just to have these characters roaming around and you can just do your work. Now, naturally, I had to go and see if there were any cat versions for this as well. There wasn't, sadly, but I found something interesting. So there's a VS Code Pets extension and there's a Stardew Pets extension as well, which is from the Stardew Valley game. You can get cats, rabbits, dogs, a bunch of characters. As you can see, you can play fetch with them also, which is pretty cool. I definitely implore you to try this.